it's Nikki. If you are new, welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. This is my reintroduction video, 2026. So 2025, I took a pause, not because I quit, but because I needed to take a step back and get honest about where I am and where I'm going. So this channel now is about rebuilding my space, my routines, my confidence, and my life one intentional step at a time. You won't see perfection here. Trust and believe. You'll see progress, real resets, real changes, and real conversations about starting over without starting from zero. So if you're in a season where you're cleaning things out, getting your foot in and figuring out your next chapter, you're in the right place. This is me showing up as I am and moving forward. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your notifications on to all so you will not miss a video. And let's start where we are.